Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Education for Sustainable Development. In this series of PHP lectures, today we will see how we can insert the record using the prepared statement. So friends, let's start. So we have that insert book prepared statement.php. So in this case, first we have to see the new book. That is the new book. So let's open. So that is the new book page, HTML page, and we have insert book.php that we have seen in the last example in our last video. So we have used the insert query and then we have a result, but in case of prepared statement we have to insert using a prepared statement. So we will see what is prepared statement in this video lecture. So all the code is same except the prepared statement. So that is the different code. That is the only difference between the simply insert using the insert query or using the prepared statement. So in insert query we have just add the insert query and then just here we will see. So that is the only difference. Insert into books values, then we have to bind the parameters from outside. In case of prepared statement, that is the different. So we have to use the prepare method and then we have to bind the parameters. So we have parameters ISBN, author, title and price. So ISBN, author, title and price. So you see the in insert the ordering is same. Here we have specifier SSSD, it means string and the double value. So ISBN is a string type, author is a string type, title is a string type and the price is a double type. So we have to bind the parameters accordingly. So the query is same, but we will bind from the parameters from outside. Then we have used the execute statement. So basically in prepared statement we will use it when we have to insert the large amount of data so that we can send the parameter using some function. So here we will add again one more value. So let's first see that what are the values that we have. So we have, see here we have 2 3 4 5 rows. So let's add one more row using the prepared statement. So we have that row is inserted into database. Now we have check. We have to again doing refresh. So we will again select star. So you have see we have entered the Dr. Arihant Kumar, how to motivate yourself, and the price is 5.21. So you see the difference between the previous video and this video. So we have used the prepared statement for insertion, for deletion, for updation, for any kind of code we can use this prepared statement. It is so. Thank you friend, I hope you like this video. So kindly subscribe this channel for these kind of educational videos. Thank you very much.